So we're going to look at the first time setup for Malwarebytes free today. The latest version is 4.5.10. So when you first open the application, it says welcome to Malwarebytes. Imagine a world without malware. We do. So you hit the get started button. It does offer you Malwarebytes Premium, which does add loads of extra protections, including running scans automatically, blocking malicious websites, new threat protection 24/7, remove existing infections. You can buy now or activate a subscription. If you want to continue with the free version, you need to click not ready to buy, which isn't very obvious at the bottom. And if you click on that, it says that you can unlock your free 14-day premium trial, which gives you all the things that I just mentioned. You do have to enter your email address. But if you don't want to do that, because if you click get started, without entering your email address, it will say that you've got a premium trial anyway. And this premium trial will be activated for 14 days. After 14 days, you will go down to the standard edition. So that is the easy way to set up Malwarebytes. Malwarebytes is then protecting your computer at this point, and you're able to run the scanner. The real-time protection is only available in the 14-day premium trial. If you already do have the premium version of Malwarebytes, you can click activate license and enter your email and password to sign in if you've already created an account, or simply press enter license key to activate your license key that you should have got via email when you made your purchase. And that's it. It's set up. It's running your it's scanning your computer. This one's scanned to do it at 2:80 in the morning. It tries to scan it out of your working hours on the computer. So if you just leave it on, it will scan and alert you to any action that you need to take. And that is it. When you press close, Malwarebytes sits in the background. It's just sat down here in your tray, and it just runs in the background protecting your computer. If you have installed the optional browser extension, then that will also be working across Chrome, Firefox and Edge to keep you protected there. Hope that helps. It's really easy to set up. Highly recommended to protect your computer from malware, and we will see you shortly in another video.